everybody, and today I'm going to be covering a potential Hurricane Bob to hit Louisiana, and this could also be a major hurricane too, so watch out. And before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and comment and leave a like on the video, and also check out my new channel called Mr. Top Kid Hockey, and the link will be in the description and maybe the pinned comment if YouTube allows me to have my comments on my video. I hope it does. So anyway, let's get into it. So there's this. I'm pretty sure that it is not going to develop too much. It might be related to a system that I'm about to show you. So down here's that system, and you can kind of see a little bit of something beginning to move across and through here. See something kind of moving through it, and then it begins to form. You can see how it just becomes a low tropical storm status has been acquired, and then here it goes. You think it's gonna hit Texas, nope, and another tropical storm forms right next to it. Oh, that is an incredibly small tropical storm, but as you can see by the gauge, that's 34 knots, I'm pretty sure, and that would mean that it has hit tropical storm status. So that is a very tiny tropical storm, and you can see the Fujiwara effect, I'm pretty sure. And then as it's about to hit Louisiana, it gets pretty strong and then immediately dies off because of landfall, and then nothing else happens in that model run. So it's a little far out, take it with a grain of salt, but it could be a severe hurricane to hit Louisiana. Could be stronger than we would think, much stronger too. That's hilarious. If I back one model run, that it's not gonna show it. I love that. So yeah, it's probably not gonna happen, and it's probably pretty inaccurate, but it very well could. And there's also a big potential cyclone to form in the eastern Pacific. I'm gonna show you that storm just now. Here it is. Oh crap. Here it is. So you can see it as it begins to drift off, and there's another system to form right over there, but it drifts off the coast and forms. Never really becomes anything. Doesn't appear to ever become anything. So yeah, Eastern Pacific isn't gonna have an insane amount of action like the Atlantic might have soon. But anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.